NDI started for us a new venue for the IP serial protocol we had before. Then we started IP protocol, and identifying the camera over the network was a challenge because we have a default IP address. We had an easy IP to find it. What NDI does is NDI make it very easy to identify a camera. You go and see the NDI tools, and it just shows up as a model number of the camera. That makes it very easy to connect. So Panasonic makes a switcher for a very long time. What unique about HLC 100 is it's not only a switcher, but a PTZ controller. So it has a 3D control for pan, tilt, zoom, and iris and everything. Also preset buttons. So you can actually have a controller and a switcher combining it. It's an 8-input switcher.
And we found this product has been a home run, especially in like the worship, the worship vertical, because churches, they don't have a whole lot of volunteers, a whole lot of people to operate their shows. So now I use PTZ cameras, I use this box, and one volunteer can actually learn how to use this box and run an entire church that's a very high level production, including, going to overflow rooms, streaming it live, just a phenomenal solution for worship. When you guys went in with NDI, it's actually a firmware that can be loaded on a camera. So you have some PTZ cameras that come with NDI already loaded. Then you have some cameras that don't. So like the CX350 we mentioned.
Purchase the license after you upgrade the software. You purchase the license from the new tech for $300, and your older camera can be now NDI capable of it. And that's very easy process to do it through the scan converters of NDI tools in a camera.
Almost every camera that is available with NDI, you can also download the auto tracking software to be used. And if you're a school, you can still get 90 days free. Isn't that correct, Raj?
That is correct. And then there is another version of SF200 that a lot of schools are purchasing because it has a server-based application. So you can have up to 4 cameras on one servers, and you can add the more and more servers.
Now let's jump forward to this past May, and you guys introduce a whole new series of cameras, the UE100.
The neat part about it is the first camera, Panasonic camera in PTZ is with the NDI native as well as NDI HX. So NDI native is both available in HD as well as 4K. So in 4K, it's about 200 megabits bandwidth. In HD, it's about 100 megabits bandwidth. In NDI,